Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Umrah Abdul Rifai from class A with study number H0123-005 and from the English Education Department, University of Sulawesi Barat. So, do you know what is linguistics? Linguistics is the science that studies language in various aspects. Linguistics is the scientific study of language, including its structure, function, meaning, and changes and variation in language in society. The main goal of linguistics is to understand how language works, both at the phonetic, morphology, syntax, semantics, and other aspects. So, by understanding linguistics, we can better appreciate the complexity of language and how language is used to communicate. There are four branches of linguistics in general, namely 1. Phonology. Phonology is a branch of linguistics that studies the sound system in a language. It deals with how the sounds of a language are organized and used to distinguish meaning. Phonology also studies the patterns of sounds and sound changes in language and how the sounds are produced and perceived by the listener. Next to morphology. Morphology is a branch of linguistics that morphology. Morphology is a branch of linguistics that studies the structure of words and their formation. Morphology focuses on the smallest unit that has meaning, namely morphemes. Morphemes can be basic words or affixes that attach to basic words to form new words. Morphology studies how words are formed, changes, and communicate with different meanings. Next, syntax. Syntax is a branch of linguistics that studies how words are arranged in a sentence. Syntax focuses on the rules that govern word order, sentence structure, and the relationship between sentence elements, subject, predicate, object, and etc. Okay, and the last, semantics. Semantics is a branch of linguistics that studies meaning in a language. Semantics studies how meaning is constructed through words, process, and sentence, both lexical meaning, how word meaning, and more complex meanings, such as sentential or pragmatic meaning. Semantics also studies the relationship between words and the concepts they represent. Okay, next I will explain in detail the material about morphology. Morphology is a branch of linguistics that studies the structure of words and their formation. Morphology focuses on the smallest units that have meaning, namely morphemes. Morphemes are the smallest parts of language that carry meaning or grammatical information. In morphology, there are two types of morphemes, free morphemes and bound morphemes. Free morphemes is morphemes that can stand alone as complete words, such as house, book, or eat. And bound morphemes is morphemes that cannot stand alone and must be combined with other morphemes to form complete words. Examples are affixes such as ing, ed, and s or es. Free morpheme has two subtypes: lexical morpheme and functional morpheme. Lexical morphemes are divided into four types, namely noun, verb, adverb, and adjective. And the rest are included in functional morphemes such as article, demonstrative, pronoun, conjunction, and etc. Bound morpheme has two subtypes: is inflectional morpheme and derivational morpheme. Inflectional morpheme is the change in the form of a word to suit it is a grammatical function in a sentence, such as changing the form of a verb, noun, or adjective. For example, a play basic form to be plays, singular, played, past tense. And derivational morpheme is the process of forming new words from basic words by adding affixes, which can change the category of the word, such as from a noun to a verb. Example, happy to happiness, or drive to driver. An example, the word is embodiment. M is a bound morpheme and the subtype is derivational morpheme. Body is a free morpheme and subtype is lexical morpheme. And man is bound morpheme and the subtype is derivational morpheme. So this is my explanation about the material morphology. Next, the last explanation about learning linguistics and morphology in school is important because 1. Improve language comprehension. Helps students understand how language works and communicate more effectively. 2. Improve speaking and writing skills. Morphology helps students understand how words are formed and change to convey the right meaning. 3. Develop vocabulary. Helps students expand their vocabulary by understanding how words are formed. And last, for support critical thinking skills. Teaches students to think analytically about language and the patterns that exist. So, by studying linguistics and morphology, students can master language better and develop other important skills. So this is my explanation of what linguistics is, the branches of linguistics, morphology, and describing the importance of studying linguistics and morphology. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.